1 grass. A snake slithered across the grass. 2 flower pot. The water drained out of the flower pot through the hole in the bottom. 3 axe. A man used to wielding an axe fought best on foot. 4 gardening gloves. I put on my gardening gloves and dig in the soil. 5 rake. It is his duty to rake the ashes out of the stove. 6 gardening fork/digging fork. One of the prongs of the garden fork went through his foot. 7 wheelie bin, UK, -recycling bin, US. We put our wheelie bin out to be emptied every Thursday morning. 8 garden hose. Mrs. Morrell reached for a loop of garden hose. 9 boots. Rubber boots are impervious to water. 10 watering can. The watering can was gritty metal with an ugly snub spout. 11 pruners/pruning shears. An old gardener was upon the lawn, with a pair of pruning shears, looking after some bushes. 12 pruning saw. He had a chainsaw and loppers. I brought along gloves and a curved pruning saw. 13 garden trowel. With my spade and trowel, I'll dig his grave. 14 seeds. The seeds will sprout in 3 days after they are sown. 15 lawnmower. We need a lawnmower to cut the grass. 16 wheelbarrow. She trundled the wheelbarrow down the garden. 17 fertilizer. The chemical fertilizer should be well dug in. 18 hoe. I have to feed the chickens and hoe the potatoes. Earthworm. That chick pecks out an earthworm from the earth. 19 apron. She tied an apron around her waist. 20 scythe. He's cutting grass with a scythe. 21 scissors. She took a pair of scissors and cut the string. 22 bucket. He filled the bucket with water. 23 shed. I shut the shed door and wedged it with a log of wood. 24 passed. She placed the ladder under the window. 25 spade. There was a garden spade in the shed. 26 sickle. She bought herself a hoe and a sickle. 27 pitchfork. She jerked upwards with the pitchfork. 28 shovel. She dug the foundation with a pick and shovel. Thank you.